Hello beautiful people, Landon Montgomery here, the Vintage Modeler, and welcome to the Vintage Modeler channel. I wanted to come on here and personally thank each and every one of you because it's time to celebrate, y'all. It's time to celebrate. Because of you folks, I didn't have anything to do with it. Because of you folks, this channel has reached 1,000 subscribers. And folks, I just want to come on here and I want to tell you so much how much I appreciate y'all for the support of this whole channel and everything. I really do appreciate it. It's a huge milestone, and in just a little over a year we have reached 1,000 subscribers. With that said, we have also reached, I think, the over 4,000 watch hours. So this channel is now able to be monetized, but that's not my goal. When I started this channel, when I started doing these models here on this channel, my ultimate goal was not to monetize, to make money. You know, it's cool, it's good, but my ultimate goal and desire was to be able to build models for y'all, to give you the most honest, you know, no sugarcoating, just the plain up, upfront, honest as I can be with my modeling experience, whether it looked good, whether it looked bad, whether whatever, you know. I try to be as honest as I can, and my main goal was just to give y'all good content to be able to watch from while I built models, to show you my journey, you know, because everybody's journey is different. I just wanted to share my personal experience with you and make sure that you folks are having a good time. That's my ultimate goal. And the money is good, you know, to have monetization, to be able to make money. That's cool, that's good. But for personal reasons and just my own personal reasons, at this point I have no plans of monetizing. The only payment that I ever would want is for you folks, is to be a friend to you folks, and to be a fellow modeler to you, and hopefully for you to learn something from me and learn not to do something from me, if you know what I mean. But anyways, I won't keep you. I just wanted to express my full and humblest gratification for y'all doing that, your subscriptions, and I appreciate it. I really do. Again, appreciate all the support that y'all have shown through this whole experience. For me, I have learned so much just through y'all, so much in my modeling journey and life journeys itself, if you know what I mean. So again, thank you so much. 1,000 subscribers, yes! And also, I'm working as hard as I can to make the content better, smoother, better paced, better edited, to make it just better, you know. And I've got a long way to go, a long way, but just, you know, slowly, little by little, one step at a time, one step. And you know, that's how you learn. And I hope that I continue to be able to give you the best content that I'm possibly able to give you. And I know that we'll learn more in the future and get better as we go. And so with that, beautiful people, I guess I will let y'all go, and we'll see you next time. Please stay safe, take care, and keep modeling, all right? And again, thank you so much. And thank you so much. And we're going to have a good time. So until I see y'all again, take care.